In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can switch from a personal to a business account on Pinterest. Converting to a business account on Pinterest offers several benefits, including access to analytics to track your performance, the ability to run ads, and access to features like rich pins that enhance your content. To do this, simply head into your Pinterest. On your home page, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. On your profile page, tap on these three dots and head into your settings. On your settings page, select on Add Account. Scroll down onto Manage Accounts. You will then select on Convert to a business account. Tap on Convert Account. Enter your profile name. And follow other few simple steps to finish up the process. This also adds credibility to your profile, making it easier for users to find and engage with your brand. That's how easy it is to change to a business account on Pinterest. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.